Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here in my garage to bring you this really cool tool from Strongman Tools. It is their angle template tool. Let's take it out, I'll unbox it, show you how it works, tell you what I like, what I don't like about it, and then at the end, I'll give you a Doug score on it. Let's check this out. Okay, so I could already start off by saying it comes in this cool velvety case, which is both attractive and really functional because you don't want your tools to get all junked up when they're thrown in the box here and bang around. Because one of the things you need to know about this tool is made out of a really solid aluminum with the measurements etched into the aluminum itself. So they're not going to wear off, they're etched in. And this aluminum is very solid, so it's going to last you a long time. These things are generally used by tradesmen, like anybody who's working with tile or compound shapes. Carpenters, they have to repeat those shapes. I personally like to use it for DIY, my own little projects around the house. Let me show you an idea of one that you could use it for. This is just like an idea of the kind of stuff that I do. Let's say I decided I wanted to mount these drill bits on the wall here, but it's a crazy size, right? So you take this, so you simply take this, loosen up the adjusters on here, conform it to the shape of the crazy shape of my drill holder here, drill case, and ta-da! I have the exact shape and size of this, okay, so this is a one-off thing, but if you're doing tile and you need to be cutting tile and have them all look uniform, it is perfect. All you do is you take this, it actually comes with, I haven't sharpened it yet because I just opened it, but it comes with a pencil, which is a really nice thing, and so you just take it on your wood, mark out the shape, start cutting, and then you're like, oh, I want to do another one. Boom, mark it again with the pencil. You got a uniform piece of wood. I would just take it, glue the wood here, attach that, boom, you're done. That's just a made-up project for you. But there are 10,000 projects around your house where you need this kind of compound shape and you need to be able to repeat it reliably without measuring everything out and getting your compactor out from high school. But in any case, this is what you've been waiting for. I have to give this product a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score because as far as I'm concerned, for a tool with a very specific purpose, which is broad if you ask me, this does it all. It's a nice high quality, good metal. I like that the numbers are etched in. They're not going to wear out. It comes in the nice carrying case. This is a good one for me. I'll give it one of these and a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score.